Have you ever wondered how to make $900 a day with ChatGPT? We're talking about an advanced artificial intelligence program developed by OpenAI that's changing the game. It's not just another chatbot, it's a tool capable of mimicking human-like text conversations, making it a powerhouse in the digital world. Imagine the possibilities. With ChatGPT, you're not just enhancing your online business operations, you're revolutionizing them. It's an innovation that's already making waves and it's poised to make an even bigger splash. But the real magic? It's not just about business efficiency. It's about turning this AI tool into a lucrative income source. From customer service to content creation, ChatGPT can do it all. It's the tool you didn't know you needed, and it's here to transform the way you do business online. So, are you ready for this? Intrigued? Great. Let's discover how to turn this potential into a real $900 per day. To make money with ChatGPT, you first need to understand how it works. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of ChatGPT. This tool, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced language model. It's capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that understands and responds just like a human would. That's ChatGPT for you, but it doesn't stop there. With its machine learning capabilities, ChatGPT constantly evolves, learning from every interaction. This makes it a powerful tool for a multitude of online tasks, from customer service to content creation. Imagine the possibilities. What sets ChatGPT apart is its versatility. Whether it's generating engaging blog posts, answering customer queries, or even creating scripts like this one, ChatGPT can handle it all. It's like having a virtual assistant available around the clock. With this understanding, you're ready to explore ways to monetize ChatGPT. There are several ways to turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine. First, consider selling ChatGPT-driven services. This innovative tool can churn out content like a seasoned writer. From blog posts to product descriptions, ChatGPT can produce a plethora of written content at a fraction of the time it would take a human. Imagine running a content creation agency where your main writer is ChatGPT. You're offering speed, efficiency, and a level of creativity that's hard to match. Second, consider how ChatGPT can streamline customer service. With its ability to converse like a human, ChatGPT can handle inquiries, resolve issues, and offer information 24/7. Businesses are always on the lookout for effective ways to improve customer service. And you could offer a solution that's not just effective, but also cost-saving. Third, think about the power of automation. If you're running an online business, ChatGPT can take over many of the tasks that eat up your time. From responding to customer inquiries to drafting engaging social media posts, ChatGPT can automate your business operations. By freeing up your time, you can focus on growing your business, while still reaping the benefits of a tool that works tirelessly for you. Lastly, consider incorporating ChatGPT into software or apps for a fee. Developers can integrate ChatGPT into their applications, providing users with a smart and responsive AI. Whether it's a language learning app, a virtual assistant, or a creative writing tool, ChatGPT can add significant value. Let's look at some successful implementations. Companies like ChatGPT Creative Agency have made a name by offering content creation services powered by ChatGPT. Then there's AI Customer Support, a business that provides ChatGPT-driven customer service solutions. And who can forget Automate My Biz, an online business that uses ChatGPT to handle its operations, achieving impressive growth while saving time. Now that you know the methods, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Turning ChatGPT into a $900 per day income stream is a process that requires planning and execution. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1 is identifying a profitable niche. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. It can be used in a multitude of sectors, from customer service to content creation. Your task is to identify where your skills and interests align with a market need. Research is key here. Look for industries that are in need of automated, intelligent conversation and see how you can fill that gap. Step 2 involves setting up the necessary tools and platforms. Once you've identified your niche, you need to set up your ChatGPT. This process involves getting an API key, integrating it with your chosen platform, and configuring it to suit your needs. You also need to establish a payment system. This could be a subscription model, a pay-per-use model, or even a freemium model with paid add-ons. The third step is marketing your ChatGPT-driven services or products. This is where your entrepreneurial skills come into play. You need to let your target market know that you have a solution to their problems. Social media, email marketing, content marketing, and SEO are just a few of the many ways you can get the word out about your ChatGPT service. Remember, the goal is to reach as many potential customers as possible. The final step is optimizing based on feedback and results. As with any business venture, it's crucial to continuously improve your offerings, monitor user feedback, track your metrics, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Always be on the lookout for ways to enhance the user experience and increase your revenue. By following these steps, you can start generating a significant income with ChatGPT. It's a journey that requires dedication, creativity, and a bit of technical know-how, but with persistence and a can-do attitude, you can turn ChatGPT into a lucrative income stream. You've learned a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We've journeyed together through the fascinating world of ChatGPT. You've seen the immense potential it holds, not just as a conversational tool, but as a vehicle for income generation. We've delved into the monetizing methods, from content creation to customer service and more, showcasing how you can leverage this cutting-edge tool to your advantage. We've also broken down the process into manageable steps. Starting with understanding the power of ChatGPT, we then explored how to use it effectively. We shared strategies to monetize its capabilities, and finally, we walked you through a step-by-step blueprint to turn ChatGPT conversations into a lucrative online income stream. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and you've already taken several today. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to turn ChatGPT into a powerful income stream. Start today, and the sky's the limit.